back and forth. I love it. And I'm going to replace my space bar for my lit bar. You see right here. It's lit. Guys, I'm going to add my lit space now. There you go.